Accidents happen, but filing an insurance claim shouldn't be a headache. In this video, we will walk you through how to find, complete, and submit the Student Assurance Services claim form step by step. First, head to sas-mn.com. You do not need a login. Just click Find My School, select your state, and search for your school district or college. This ensures you get the specific form and benefits summary, along with all other relevant documents for your school's plan. The claim form is usually divided into two parts. Part A is the notice of injury. If the accident happened during a school activity, a school official or coach must complete and sign this part. Part B is the parent statement. This is where you provide your personal information. Both parts must be completed for the form to be considered valid. SAS plans are usually secondary, meaning they pay after your primary health insurance. To process your claim, you'll need to provide itemized bills, not just balance due statements. These bills are usually called UB04s and/or CMS 1500s. You will also need to submit the explanation of benefits from your primary insurance company. The easiest way to do this is to provide SAS information to your providers of service and ask that they submit their bills to us directly via USPS. If you have any further questions or need support with your claim submission, please contact Student Assurance Services. Our team is ready to help.